Hello, it's Sonia from Just Women's Business, and today I want to show you or help you edit your text in Canva. It's super easy, and so let's go. So the first thing I'll do is just X myself out. I've created a 1080 by 1080, or rather I've grabbed a Instagram size template, and I just click on it to highlight it and press T on the keyboard, and a text box appears. So while that's highlighted, you'll notice that the toolbar comes up. So I'll just, while it's highlighted, I'll go to the size option. So just press plus and it makes it bigger, obviously, and minus makes it smaller. Or you can just type over the number, so like with a size you're after. Or another option is you can just grab the corners and drag it, or pull it right out. So there's quite a few different ways you can resize. If you need to keep your text the same, just stick with the number, and that way it'll be really even over your template. So while that's highlighted, you'll notice there's the option to change the font. So when you click that font part, all the different options come up, and there's that many to choose from. If you want, I'm not sure if this comes with everything, but you can just click free fonts, and that way you don't get charged if you've got the free option for fonts that are in the paid version of Canva. You can click on the handwriting fonts. I'll just go for something more like Montserrat. That's a really good one to work with. So when that's highlighted, the A with the rainbow thing underneath is the color. So if you click on that, you can pick a color. So I might pick the hot pink. If you go to the plus option, you can always just drag whatever color you want, like through this color swatch, or you can go down here to the rainbow sort of part of the color swatch. Or if you have a particular color you like, you can enter your hex code there. So I might just use OOB, oops, hang on, BF 63, we'll do that. And that's a green option. So then you can bold the text, italic it, and underline it. So, but just in saying that, a lot of the fonts, if you pick a font that is already fairly thick, you may not have the option to bold or italics it, and these options will be like transparent. Then you have the line through option, which you might want to have a post saying something sold out. The uppercase, lowercase, so if you click on that and then click it off, it just makes the whole lot text all in one uppercase or lowercase. You can, to make this one's left align, right align, but to do that I might need to add some more text. So I'll go add more text here to prove the point. And then so I think sometimes if you highlight it, it works, sometimes it doesn't. So we'll go, it's probably not great because I've got probably the same amount of text. So we'll go, that's right align, left align, so might need to highlight it, left align, right align, middle. So you sort of get the idea. This is the transparency option, which you can go make it really light or dark. It's probably easier if you color the background, so I'll make it pink, and if you drag it down you obviously won't see it. So it's just sort of another tool you can use. So I'll click on it again. Then we have the letter spacing, which I love. So if you make it really wide, it can make your text sort of pop a lot more. Pull it in really tight, it's another option, especially if you have to have a fair bit of text in a small amount of area. Line spacing is just providing like bigger gaps or tightening the gaps between the text, which I kind of like as well. So I hope that's helped, and I'm giving you some ideas on how to edit your text.